Hi, my name is Rob with Rob's Reviews. I wanted to show you the new Alexa dimmer switch that Leviton's releasing on February 1st of 2020. The model number is DWVAA. It's got built-in Alexa. It can operate as a single switch for regular normal light bulbs or also a dimmer. There's an option within the settings of the My Leviton app to do that, which is pretty cool. So let me explain a little on the switch. Up at the top, you've got two microphones. At the bottom, you've got two microphones. It's speaker, it's status light. Up at the top here, if I push it, she activates. But if I push and hold, the mic turns off. So I can say Alexa, and she won't do nothing. Push and hold, turn her back on. You've got your on switch, you've got your off switch. If I want to dim it, I push and hold. Then brighten it back up. It's real simple installation. I haven't ran into any problems with it yet. I got it installed in 5 minutes. I replaced it with the regular dimmer switch they had. So let me show you some commands. Alexa, turn off office light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on office light.
Okay.
Alexa, dim office light to 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn office light to 100%.
Okay.
Alexa, what's the weather?
In Shorewood, it's 30 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can look for snow flurries with a low of 24 degrees. Would you like to know the weather for tomorrow?
No. So it's pretty neat. It acts just like a normal Alexa. It doesn't have the greatest speaker, but for a light switch, you really don't need it. It's just a convenience little feature for right when you walk in a room. If you don't happen to have an Alexa in every single room, you can just ask your light switch. So I'm going to be playing with this switch a lot more. I'm going to do some other videos on it later on. But so far, she's exceeded my expectations on a light switch. I was not expecting it to fully function right off the bat. One thing I want to show you, up here, you see this little plug, this little pull tab here? If you want to reset her or shut the switch off, it pops out.
I don't know that one.
Yep, I don't think you would. And if for some reason you needed to go and reset the switch fully to repair it to My Leviton app, you push and hold both buttons at the same time, and then when the light starts blinking, you're good to go. It's a good 7 to 10 seconds. But I'll let you go. Be on the lookout for other videos, but so far this switch is blowing me away because it actually works really well, and I haven't had any issues with it. And I'm really surprised. So they did a good job with a lot of testing, good quality control, and making sure when this is released come February that it's actually going to work straight out of the box. There were no firmware updates, so that's a good sign. All right, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can always go to robsreviews.net and see other things that I post.